Hi and welcome to the video. In this video we will be looking at a planking clamp which I found and adding the two lower Gunport templates. I found these on Amazon. They were £20 for 10. At first glance they look like they will be a great aid when planking the hull. Screws hold the plank firmly against the ribs. I dry clamped these pieces in place, wetting the end which bends around the bow, leaving it clamped overnight so that it would retain its shape. Clamps are doing a great job. As you can see, a couple of the ribs have split while screwing in the clamps. Going forward from this point, I pre-drilled a hole for the screw, which resolved this issue. I've come across another issue, more of a design fault with these clamps. I've only added the 4 templates and they are already falling apart. Whilst yes, they can be pushed back in, I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick this up. There is a straight knurling on the head of the screw, which is wearing down. So when you try and screw it in, it just spins. I could try supergluing them, but I don't think it will hold for very long. Personally, I think this design is flawed. It would have been better if it was made of just one piece. Any metal workers out there that can sort this out? I would also like to point out these would be no good for kits by AL, as they tend to use 2 to 3mm ply for their frames. Verdict: I think it's a good idea just needs to be redesigned to resolve the issues. I've decided to cut off all of the deck supports. He's gone mad, you say? Both the lower deck supports have been removed and sanded to shape. I will be framing the decks like this. A bit more work, but it will be more realistic. I started to paint the guns for the lower gun deck. I noticed a problem with the prints. Can you see what it is? I've got cannons that will shoot in an arc. I think the problem is when printing there is no support for the end of the gun. So I need to fix this and reprint them all again. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.